October 10, 2024, Hurricane Britain just made landfall in the US, unleashing chaos across Florida. Flooded streets, power outrages, and widespread destruction are being reported, adding to the long list of hurricane devastation in the region. It's a stark reminder of how frequently hurricanes strike the US. But in India, we call these hurricanes in the name of cyclone. And here's something interesting. Cyclones are much more common in the Bay of Bengal than in the Arabian Sea. Why is that? Is it because the Bay of Bengal is larger, or is it due to temperature and pressure differences in the region? Could global warming also be playing a role in this pattern, contributing to more frequent and intense storms? And how much environmental damage is this causing in the region, both in terms of human life and ecosystem? Let's dive in to explore these questions and uncover the reasons behind the phenomenon. To begin, let's look at a recent example, the Cyclone, which may landed on night of May 26. And this cyclone has devastated the impact of the coastal areas of West Bengal in India, and of the parts of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram in the northeast, as well as neighboring Bangladesh. The strong wind speed reaching up to 135 km per hour, uploading more than 2,100 reached 337 US reports, particularly affecting the southwest Bengal, including regions like Blackdeep, the Diamond Harbour, and the Sundar Bend. At least 6 people lost their lives in the West Bengal due to this electrocution, and storm surges were one of the primary causes of this disaster. For this unfamiliar storm surges are massive waves caused by the cyclone winds and low pressure, and they can flood coastal areas and the Bay of Bengal, particularly prone to these surges. So why is the Bay of Bengal more susceptible to these intense cyclones and storm surges compared to the Arabian Sea? The answer lies in the unique geography. The Bay of Bengal is the world's largest bay, covering an area of 2.6 million square kilometers, and its funnel-like shape contributes to storm surges being more severe. Additionally, the northern part of the bay is quite shallow, which makes it easier for cyclonic winds to push massive amounts of water onto the land, flooding the coastal areas. Now, another reason is the coastal topography. The Bay of Bengal's coast, especially around West Bengal and Bangladesh, is crisscrossed with rivers and rivulets, and many of the islands in this region are only about 4 to 5 meters above sea level. When a strong cyclone hits, the pressure of the wind combined with the shallow coastlines leads to extreme flooding. This has historically made the Bay of Bengal home to some of the world's deadliest cyclones. According to research by Dr. Master and the renowned European scientists, the 22 of the 30 deadliest tropical cyclone in the world history was occurred in the Bay of Bengal. That's a startling number. One of the reasons for this is the bay's warm sea surface temperature. The water temperature is often between 31 to 32 degrees Celsius, while the Arabian Sea tends to cooler. The cyclone needs the warm water to form and intensify, and that's exactly what Bay of Bengal offers. The warm water helps the cyclone pressure more moisture, which makes them intense. In this case of cyclone, the high sea surface temperature played a key role in the rapid intensification before this landfall. The scientists had noted that the Bay of Bengal's water have warmed considerably over the years, with the Indian Ocean overfall warming faster than other oceans. And this rising temperature is contributing to the increase in the frequency and the strength of cyclones. Another important factor is climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) 2023 report highlights that the Indian Ocean have warmed by about 1 degree Celsius since the pre-industrial period. Now you guys will be thinking that 1 degree Celsius doesn't matter at all, right? During extreme heat waves earlier this year, sea temperatures even spiked by 1.5 degrees Celsius. Warmer seas create ideal conditions for cyclones to form and rapidly intensify, which is why we see more frequent cyclones in the Bay of Bengal, especially during the pre-monsoon period. Even though there have been improvements in disaster preparedness, like evacuating over 2 lakh people in West Bengal before Cyclone hit, the growing intensity at these storms continues to pose a major threat. In total, over 15,000 homes in West Bengal's coastal areas were affected, and thousands of people remain in relief camps. The Cyclones and the region of the West Bengal and Bangladesh are particularly vulnerable, and these areas sit just a few meters above sea level. And with rising the sea level to the climate change, the risk of the storm surges and the flood is increasing.
A research from Jodhpur University School of Oceanography studies predicting that in coming decades, the rising sea level could make even area that would consciously vulnerable more exposed to cyclone. The experts agree that unless we reduce the global greenhouse gas emission and service the ocean temperature, the cyclone in this region likely to become more and more intense. But totally will be seeing more cyclone storms, but they will also bring higher rainfalls and stronger winds and greater destructions. The scientists have been documenting this how cyclones and how strong and how large they go in these previous decades.
So, to sum up, the Bay of Bengal experiences more cyclones in the Arabian Sea due to several key factors. Its warmer sea surface temperatures, its funnel-like shape that amplifies storm surges, and its low-lying, densely populated coastlines. And as climate change continues to impact our planet, we can expect these cyclones to become even more severe. It's crucial that we understand these patterns so that we can better prepare for the future. As we have seen, the Bay of Bengal is more prone to cyclones due to several factors that we have mentioned earlier, including temperature, pressure, and geography. But what about how we prepare for these disasters? Thankfully, India's ISRO has been a game changer in predicting incoming natural disasters like cyclones. With the development of advanced satellites, ISRO helps track and forecast these storms, providing critical information that saves countless lives.
If you want to know more about how ISRO is shaping the disaster management in India, and make sure to check our previous video where we dive deeper into innovations. And stay safe and stay informed.
ദോശ ദോശ